The Swedish Wealth Institute is an event company and network that collaborates with speakers from all over the world who work with lectures and training. Maybe you know the life wheel or the impact wheel. The wheel is divided into different parts of our lives: relationships, economics, personal development, career, spiritual development, physical and mental health. All the parts are important for us to feel good, but we feel just as good as our lowest zone. Therefore, it is important that we focus on those parts where we feel less well and will thus raise our entire basic energy level. We want to help you do that by bringing in speakers in every area from the life wheel, and then you can choose which events are right for you. Feel free to go through the event calendar and see if any of our events that you feel are suitable for you, that you feel would strengthen you in the situation you are in today.